Okay. Today you try after completing the class, you try that market tool, circular tool,
Mm.
because if you try only, you can get that. Yeah.
Yeah.
Now, as you told, open. We are going to open a new image.
Mm.
Open. Image we should do. Today we are going to see how to remove the patch like that. Something we are going to see now.
Patch.
Patch. A patch means yeah.
Yeah, yeah, I know.
Now, if you see, means there are like footsteps for removing the
Mm.
pimples for footsteps, small things. You can use that
Mm.
tool. So after opening the Photoshop, what I told, the window
Mm.
we should check whether window workspace either it should be in essentials or graphic and web. Sometimes if it's
Mm.
in graphic and web means these left side tools will not be available. Those shape
Mm.
everything will not be available. At that case, you can
Mm.
change to window workspace and default
Mm.
because Photoshop is being used by across many people.
Mm.
Yeah, that is the thing. Okay. Now, yesterday we were seeing about the selection.
Mm.
Selection we saw rectangle, elliptical, single, everything we saw. And if you see means lasso tool is pending. Today we'll be seeing the
Mm.
lasso tool. Lasso tool. After
Okay.
that we'll be seeing how to remove those patches. So
Lasso tool, no?
yeah, lasso
Lasso
tool.
tool was also in Illustrator.
Yeah, lasso tool was also in Illustrator, but lasso tool in Illustrator we use for selecting some shapes. If there are some shapes here and there, at the time you can use for selection lasso tool. But the purpose for the lasso tool in Photoshop is also a little bit similar only.
Hmm.
I'll show you how. Now we selected the lasso tool, and if you want to select anything, now if you want to select some this object means, if I
Mm.
draw like this means this object gets selected.
Mm.
But if you want to make some minute selections, at that time we can use the lasso tool in
Mm.
Photoshop. Yeah.
Okay.
Now we selected the lasso tool. We made a basic selection. We made a basic selection. After that, if you see means it's in minus.
Mm.
It's in minus. So now if I want to add some selections means now I want this selection is itself okay means I can leave like that. Or else if I
Mm.
want to add selection means I should shift to this icon. This icon, and if I want to add this little bit this shadow also, if I draw like this means this is added. Now if you see the layers panel, layer 1 is there. Now if I give the control J means this portion gets selected, but if you see means the selected portion is not visible.
Mm.
It's not visible, but if we take the eyes off for the below layer, now if you see
Mm.
it's visible, this is only visible
Mm.
like that. Yeah,
Okay.
like this, Akansha, like this for a selection. Now we are deleting this layer. If you want to delete this layer, means either you can click this and drop down to the delete button, or else you can just select it backspace.
Mm.
Select it in backspace. That is the thing.
Okay.
Then yeah, that is the thing about the lasso tool.
Mm.
And if you see the polygonal lasso tool, if you see means using the lasso tool, now now this footstep is there. Footstep is there
Mm.
means exactly I want to select the footstep means I can draw with the laser to little bit. I can draw.
Mm.
I can draw like this. I can draw like this
Mm.
means if you see means now in this portion I want to deselect this portion.
Mm.
With the laser tool I have drawn the selection. Now this portion I want to deselect because it's like a extra selection.
Mm.
Extra selection I have made. So now I want to deselect this portion means same laser tool is selected. I want to make it the subtract from
Mm.
selection. Subtract from
Mm.
selection. If I click the subtract from selection, and now what I should do? Now I should draw a line outside. Now this is a selection. From outside, I should draw like this. From
Mm.
outside to this outline, I should draw, and I should come outside and I should close the selection. After that,
Mm.
what will be happening is this extra selection will be deleted.
Mm.
Yeah, that is the thing. Now what I'm doing now from outside, I'm drawing like this. I'm drawing and I'm closing like this.
Mm.
Now this is coming like this.
Mm.
You understand, Akansha?
Yeah.
This is about the basic selection.
Mm.
Okay, this is about the basic selection. Then now I'm now I want to deselect. Now I want to go to the deselect mode. Means what I should do? I should click the Control D.
Mm.
Yeah, Control D for deselect.
Mm.
Yeah, that is the thing. You understand till now, Akansha, selecting, deselecting like that. You understand?
Mm.
Okay. Now right click polygon lasso tool. Polygon lasso tool, if you see, means now I keep a point here. After keeping a point here, like pen tool, in pen tool, how
Mm.
we keep a point there, and just like that, if we drag a line, means it will be coming like a temporary line.
Mm.
After that, if we keep a point, now I'm keeping a point here, means now this point is fixed. Now I'm
Mm.
keeping a point here, like around 4 points we should keep minimum. Minimum 4 points we should keep, and we should close the tool correctly. If you close the
Mm.
tool correctly, means between this shape, the selection is being happen like that.
Okay.
Yeah. Anything like that you can do. You can keep like multiple points also. You can keep multiple points. I kept and I'm closing means this is like a selection. This is a
Mm.
selection. This is a selection. And as we saw, Control J. Control J if we see means in layer 2, a new layer is created and the selection is there. If you want to see means the eyes visibility, if you take comments, you can see.
Mm.
Yeah, Kansha, that is the thing. Then now we are going to delete this layer.
Mm.
Okay. Now that is about the polygonal lasso tool. Then
Mm.
magnetic lasso tool. Magnetic lasso tool, if you see, means where and all it's like a same color, it gets selected. Akansha, please wait a minute. I'll be back. Wait a minute.
Okay.
Yeah. Hello, Akansha. Hello. Hello.
Hello. Yes, sir.
Akansha, is it audible? Okay, Akansha. Till now, you understand like this polygon lasso tool.
Yeah.
Okay, Akansha. In polygon lasso tool, you can keep like multiple points. Now it
Mm.
was changed to the m- magnetic laser tool. Mistakenly, if we select the another tool means you can click Control D. Control D for deselect. Control D for deselect, and we are going to use a magnetic laser tool. If we see means there are like lot of brown shades in the sand itself. Here is like a light brown, a dark brown is there, and a light brown is there. Like that it's there. So what we can do, just like that, if you click on this right side part, I'm clicking. If you click
Mm.
here means no, no, no. Wait a minute. Control D. It's not about magnetic laser tool. In the magic wand tool, in magic wand tool only, if you just click here means
Mm.
wherever there is that brown color shade is
Mm.
there, na, wherever the brown color shade is there, a similar shade is there, everything gets
Mm.
selected.
Okay.
Everything gets selected, but in Photoshop there is an issue. It does not select accurately. It does not
Mm.
select accurately because now I selected here. Now I'm clicking here means this light portion gets selected. This light portion gets
Mm.
selected. Now here also there is same color only. If you see means here and in this gap it does not get selected. That is the
Mm.
issue in the Photoshop. Sometimes if it does not get selected means what we can do,
Mm.
either we can use the lasso tool or yeah, lasso tool we can use. That is the thing.
Mm.
That is the thing about the magic wand tool. A magic wand tool means just like that you can click. If you click on
Mm.
one color means the similar colors will be selected.
Okay.
And if you want to delete that part, you can just hit the backspace or delete like that. If you, it
Mm.
means it will be going like that. Or else if you want the same thing in the new layer means Control J.
Ah. Okay.
Yeah, like that you can do, Akansha. Now Control D I'm giving for the deselect. I deselected it.
Mm.
Okay. Now under the lasso tool we saw, polygonal lasso tool we saw, magnetic lasso tool. Magnetic lasso tool means, wait, I'll show with the another image. I'll show you the magnetic lasso tool. Okay, for this I'm using the magnetic lasso tool. I selected the magnetic lasso tool. After that, if I want to select this white color portion only, if I want to select this white color portion only, or else if I want to select the whole bottle means what I can do.
Mm.
In the magnetic lasso tool, I should initially keep a point. I'm keeping a point here. After that, I don't need to click anything. Just like that, if I hover the mouse towards the right side means
Mm.
automatically the points will be creating. I'm just hovering the mouse
Ah.
over this outline. It is not mandatory that you should hover the mouse accurately, correctly. You should hover like that. It's not required. Just like that, roughly, if you hover means it will be selected.
Okay.
Yeah. Further, if you want to refine the selection means laser tool you can refine. Now I'm holding the space bar. I'm coming down. Little bit coming down. You should not click anything, Akansha. You should not click anything.
Mm.
Just like that, we are hovering down
Mm.
like this. Now I'm hovering.
Mm.
Yeah. Now I hover. Now wherever we started, we should come back to that point. After that, we should click once. Now I started here, so I came back to this point with the mouse, and after that I clicked once.
Mm.
If I click once means what will be happening is the selection will be closing.
Mm.
Yeah, Kansha. That is about that thing. What if we see means now I took the hand out. I took the hand out and I came outside and little bit inside I came.
Mm.
Now, if you want to adjust these points exactly, more exactly means what I can do. I can use another tool. Tool is there. Either you can use the lasso tool or a quick selection tool. Now, using the lasso tool, I'll show you how. Lasso tool. I select the lasso tool. Now, a concise PC means now I want to add a selection. Here, I want to add a selection.
Mm.
I want to add a selection means what I can do. Now, the selection is on subtract. The
Mm.
selection is on subtract. I'm going to add to selection. Add to selection. I'm going. If you want to subtract the selection, now in this part we need to subtract the selection. So from outside the object we are drawing a line in the outline and we are closing. Now if you want to add the selection means what we should do from inside the selection we need to draw a line like this. We should draw a line and we should close it. Now here it will be closing. Now I'll show you how. Laser tool is selected. After that, I'm drawing a line like this. Drawing a line like this. I'm coming and I'm closing this. Now
Mm.
this is the selection
Ah.
is added. Now the selection is
Mm.
added. Okay, now it's done. Now I want to remove the selection here.
Mm.
So that what I should do? I should go to the subtractive selection.
Mm.
Subtract selection I went. Now I'm drawing a line from the outside. In the outline itself, I'm drawing a line.
Mm.
Drawing a line outside and I'm keeping it. Now selection is done. But
Mm.
if you want to do some refine selections, now here I want to add or remove means the same process only. Little bit we should do. Yeah. If you do like this means it will be coming. But sometimes for the bottle it's okay. But for the bottle it's okay. If you are working on some human characters, if you are
Mm.
working on some human hairs means if you want to remove that hair part means what you can do, you can go more zoom in. If you go more zoom in means it will be showing like box like that thing.
Mm.
Boxy type, but that boxy type represents the pixels. These are the pixels. These are each and every pixels like that.
Mm.
Because each and every image is considered as pixels. But if in
Mm.
Illustrator, if you comments in Illustrator, if you create and shape or insert anything, and if you zoom in means it will not be pixelating. It will not be showing like these boxes.
Okay.
Yeah, that is the thing. That is the thing you can remember. After that, what we can do, this is about the lasso tool. Now,
Mm.
after this is about the basic selection, Akansha. These tools and all we use for selection. Yesterday, what we saw rectangular marquee tool, elliptical, and single row, single column. But single row and single column tools we don't use much.
Mm.
Sometimes we can use the rectangular marquee tool or elliptical marquee tool we can use. And today we saw laser tool. Laser tool we saw, polygonal laser tool we saw, magnetic laser tool we saw.
Mm. Okay.
Then if you see means object selection tool. Object selection tool is easy. If you want to select this bottle means now I made a basic selection. Now I'm giving control D. Control D Akansha. Now we are going to use object selection. Before that remember whatever editing we are doing in Photoshop, basically it will be a layer. basically everything is considered as layer only. Now there's a background layer. Background is there, background layer is locked. Now I'm clicking on it and coming to the plus. Now background copy, a new copy layer is being created. A new copy layer is being created. Now what I can do, now with this copy layer I can work, because with the background layer if I work means what will be happening, again I can't make any changes. If the background layer only I'm working means, after that I made changes and I save the document means, again if I want to change the color for something, I want to add some elements means it's very difficult. Yeah, for the background we are creating. After that what we are going, the simple tool, these are very simple tools only. Object selection tool we are going. After selecting the object selection tool, Akansha, if you want to select this whole bottle I want to select means, I should just drag a line like this.
Okay.
Drag a line like this means it will take some processing time. Based on our system, it will take some processing time.
Okay.
Now if you see means, it's like selected little bit exact. Now if you see means the selection is exact like that.
Okay.
This is for the object selection tool.
Mm.
Yeah, Kansha, you understand till now? You understand? This
Yeah.
lasso tool, object selection tool. Okay, object selection tool is this. Now, if I want to, now if I want to take this bottle, if I want to take this bottle out and put a new layer means Control J.
Mm.
Control J and disable the size means the bottle alone is there.
Mm.
Now, if you see means here and all the selection is not complete. Yeah, here at all the selection is like over selection. So what I can do, I am after, but remember Akansha, after we give the control J, after we do the selection, after we give the control J, the selection becomes deselect. The selection becomes deselect. So again we can't edit. So what we should do, by using the object selection tool, initially we selected, now basic selection happens. Now at the time itself you need to edit that. Before giving the control J shortcut, you should edit that. You should adjust that points. Yeah, that thing you remember, Akansha. Like in some cases, we can use the object selection tool. If it's like a single object, separate object means at that time we can use the object selection tool. Okay, that is the thing. Now we are giving the control D for deselect.
Mm.
Okay. Now we saw the object selection tool. We saw. After that there is a quick selection tool. Today we'll see these three tools only.
Mm.
Quick selection tool we went. After selecting the quick selection tool, you'll see a brush, a circular brush is there. A circular brush is there. Now using this brush only we are going to select and deselect
Mm.
basically. So now the brush size is in this size. Now if I want to decrease or increase the brush size, I'll tell you the shortcut. You just note it down.
Mm.
Note it down. Now if you in the keyboard near the letter P, there will be like two brackets. Two brackets are
Yeah.
there. If you press the open bracket, just like that open bracket, don't press shift or anything. Just open bracket means the brush size will be decreasing.
Okay.
If you press the close bracket means the brush size will be increasing.
Okay.
That is the thing. Open bracket for decreasing and close bracket for increasing the size. That is the thing.
Okay.
Then if you see means now I want to make a selection. Now I went to the selection, quick selection tool. If I want to make a selection means now I can't make the selection because it's in the minus mode. It's in deselect or remove the selection. So initially I should make the add to selection.
Okay.
After selecting this, add to selection. Now I'm reducing the brush size. I'm just clicking. I'm not clicking and dragging anything. Just like that, I'm clicking on this. Clicking on this, I'll show you in the bottle. Decreasing. I'm just clicking here means this part gets selected. You understand, Akansha? Control D. I'm clicking outside. I'm clicking outside means this part gets selected. Now it does not show selected properly because there are multiple layers.
Mm.
So if there are multiple layers, if it's confusing more means what you can do, you can click on the layer and you can pull it down to the delete bar. Delete bar like that you can pull it down, or else what you can do, you can click once and hit the backspace.
Mm.
Yeah, I can note it down. If you want to delete some layer means you can click on this layer and drag it down or else backspace.
ठीक
Like that
है.
you can do. Yeah, Kansha, like that you can do. Now we are going back to the quick selection tool. I'm clicking here once means a basic selection is being happen. You can see now. I click here means a basic selection. But the selection is not in proper circular motion also. Again, now the selection is an add to selection. I'm clicking here, the selection is added. Again, I'm clicking here, drag means the selection is added. Like this. Like this, we can add a selection. Now again, I'm reducing the size. I'm little bit increasing. Now this selection is made, Akansha. If I want to spread this selection, if I want to extend this selection, means what I can do. I'm reducing the brush size. After that, I should from inside to the selection, I should push towards outside. I'm pushing towards outside. Pushing towards outside. Now it's done. I'm pushing towards the outside like that. Now, except this bottle lid, everything is selected. Now, Control Z, pushing towards outside means now it's selected. Now, you can ask like quick selection tool. The main purpose of the quick selection tool is we can select the background easily. If you want to select the background means you can select the background easily, or you want to select the subject only alone means at the time also you can use a quick selection tool. Yeah, Kansha. These are about the basic selection tools.
Okay.
And if you want to minus the selection, now I'm going to the minus. The same thing is there. The brush size, if I want to increase decrease means I can do it. And from outside, if I drag like this means now it's being deselected. Now the selection is being removed. You can see now the selection is being removed. Yeah, that is the thing, Akansha. That is the thing you can remember. If you
Okay.
press on the plus means from inside to the selection. If you push means it's added. Minus means it's removed like that. Yeah, Gansha.
Okay.
Do you have any doubts about the selection?
First I will do, then I can tell you. Tomorrow class I will tell you.
Okay, okay. You do this task and on tomorrow's class you do tell me that.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah. Yeah.
okay, Gansha. This is about the selection, basic selection we saw. And an illustrator, if you see, means I love an illustrator. Yes, no point. Okay. Okay. In illustrator, we were seeing about the language, that Hindi language. Hindi language
Yeah.
means, but some set of fonts will be available. Now I'm giving
No,
a
no,
create.
Hindi fancy font I need. How to download and
Okay, okay. I'll show you like a basic how to download a Hindi font and how to open it here. Like that, I'll be showing you. Okay.
huh,
Now, initially, after opening this is artboard, as you know. Before
huh,
before going to the Takan, so we should go to the edit option.
edit.
Edit, yeah,
Wait.
edit, edit. After that, you should come to the preferences.
Huh? After
You should
that?
go to preferences. Edit. We went to edit.
Huh?
Now, edit preferences.
Preferences. Wait.
Preferences. Yeah.
Okay.
Edit preferences.
Okay.
After that, you should go to the type. Under
Type.
preference,
Okay. Type. Yes. Okay.
type, if you click on the type means what will be happening, this window will
Huh.
be opening.
Okay.
This window will be opening. After that, what you can do, in some cases there are like show East Asian options is there now. Show East
Huh.
Asian options is there and show INDIC options is there.
Show East.
Show East Asian options are there and show INDIC options are there. You can
Huh.
see in the screen,
Okay.
Akansha, under the language
Okay.
options, you can remember like this.
So,
And under
okay.
language options, there will be two check boxes. Two check boxes will
Huh.
be there. At the time, what you
Huh.
can do in the two check boxes, the second check box is there like a show
Huh.
INDIC options. That show
Indic.
INDIC show indic options, so you should turn it on. You
Okay.
should turn it on. After that, you
Huh.
need to give OK.
Okay.
OK, if you give means now we can type the Hindi fonts. And you should remember if you want more elaborate means if you hold the Windows and space bar. Windows and spacebar means on the right side, bottom right side panel, you can see English United States, everything is available. Nah?
This I know. This I
Yeah,
know.
this you not
Actually,
to
I
change the
have
language.
keyboard.
Okay, okay,
I
okay.
have,
Yeah,
yeah,
at that
I
time you
have,
can use it.
I,
Basically, if you want to use means you can you should change the settings in the Illustrator. After that, it's best that you can close the Illustrator. After that, again you can reset the Illustrator, open the Illustrator back.
oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Sometimes if it comes Illustrator opening if it comes like error means what we can do, you can open the Task Manager.
Task manager.
Task Manager. Hmm? Yeah, Kansha. Now CC means Illustrator. I close the Illustrator. Again, if I open directly if I open means it was showing like a error. It was showing like a
Okay.
error pop-up message. At that time, what I can do, it was showing like previous version of Illustrator was already running like that.
Uh,
So that in that case, what you can do, you can go to the Task Manager. To go to the Task Manager, I'll show you the shortcut. Control Shift and Escape. You can note it down.
Control.
Control Shift Escape.
Hmm.
Control Shift Escape. If you click means this Task Manager will be coming like this.
Uh,
Now, if we see means in the Task Manager, we can type Illustrator. If it's running means it will be showing. If it's not running means it will not be showing. Now, Photoshop is already running. So, Photoshop I am typing. Photoshop 2020 is there. Now, if you click once on the Photoshop and end task, right side if it's there end task.
hmm.
If you click the end task means that app or software will be closing. Click
Hmm.
end task. The, the task will be closing. After that, again, if you open that software means it will be opening correctly.
Hmm.
It's because sometimes in background it will be already running. So to avoid that issues, we can follow these steps.
Hmm.
Yeah, now it's opening. It's taking a little bit late.
Hmm.
And create now we are going the frame we are setting. Yeah. Now we should click the text tool and we can type on the Hindi font. If you want to download the Hindi font, basically means what you can do,
Yeah.
download,
Wait. First,
download.
I will go to the Google.
Yeah, you need to go to the Google and you need
Uh,
to type like download Hindi font.
okay.
Download Hindi font and I'm hitting the enter. After that, Akansha, if you see means like lots of websites are there because
Um,
if you download in the Google, if you go to the Google font and download on font means what you will be facing the issue is. Now I'm showing you a sample for your knowledge. Now this is a Hindi font, okay? This is a Hindi
okay.
font. I'm clicking the get font. Get font means there are like different font families.
Hmm.
Sometimes what issues we'll be facing is download all if you give means there are English fonts are also there. So that it will be
Hmm.
mixing. So that it will be mixing and it will be creating a confusion. So to avoid that, what we can do is just like that we are coming back and this website you can note it. The first
Hindi
website is there,
fonts.
na Hindi fonts. Hindi
Uh,
fonts you can see. After that, there are like a lot of fonts available.
uh,
Basically, you can try these fonts. For now, you can try these fonts. Yeah, if you want like this font I want means download I'm giving.
uh, hmm.
Again, download font. Yeah, now it's downloading. Anand Namaste is the font. Anand Namaste. After that, as you know, we are right clicking it and extract all. Extract is there.
Uh,
Double tap on it. And as you know, either we can double tap or right click and install.
hmm.
Now, if you see means the font is installed. But while downloading any font, you can verify. Now, I'm double clicking it. After downloading any font, it will be like TTF. .ttf it will be showing.
Hmm.
.ttf it's showing. Now, after installing, you can just double tap it. Double tap means now every text is in Hindi only. If it's in Hindi means it will be coming correct, or else it will not be coming correct. If it's in English text means it will not be coming correct. Now we are going to the Illustrator. Now we can find Anand Namaste is the font name. So basically, we are keeping a text tool, type tool we are clicking once. It's coming like a lorem ipsum. We are just increasing that, increasing that. Now here we need to change the font name. So Anand
Okay.
Namaste. Now if I type the Anand Namaste, now Anand if I type means the Hindi font is coming
Huh.
here. You can see now
Okay.
this font is coming here.
Huh.
And after that, if you want to type means you can type like
But
this.
this is not Hindi. This is Hindi.
Yeah, you need to change the language also in Hindi, or else if you
Okay.
want means type. If you come to this means you can
No,
work
no.
in the
From
Hindi.
Indic, I will type.
Okay, from Index directly you need to type.
Hmm.
Okay, this is a thing we follow in Illustrator usually.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
or
We need
else
to search on character.
yeah,
What exactly we downloaded the font.
yeah, download the font like that you can do, or else if you download the font means what you can already you download the font now, or else what you can do if you want to replace the text, there's another way. You can go to the Google and translate. Google Translate is there, na Google Translate.
Google.
Google Translate. Google
Okay.
Translate there. Google Translate Hindi means the English text will be converted to Hindi like that. Just
No,
like that I'm
I
typing.
can
Yeah.
write it down. No,
Yeah,
no
I can
problem.
write it down. No, yeah, okay, okay.
Yeah.
Using that,
Okay.
using the keyboard. Okay, okay. Yeah, you know Hindi. Yeah, okay.
Huh.
Because I don't know
And
Hindi, so that
one
yeah.
more thing you teach me that I already, also forgot, that
Okay.
if I found some good font and exactly I need to that
Download
kind
the
of
same font. Okay, Kansha. So
yeah,
that
so that
I'll show you a sample. Okay. I'm just typing anything. Any design you are seeing. Basically. Okay, this pool party is there. Now this pool
yeah.
party is there, but we need to take some little bit good quality images. Then only it will be coming correct.
Huh.
Summer pool. We are taking this summer pool. If we want like same font means what we can do. We can open the we should take a screenshot, Akansha. Screenshot basically you should take the screenshot.
Huh.
Already I'll show you sample. After taking the screenshot, what is there? For example, this is a screenshot. This is a
Huh.
screenshot of that font means
Huh.
what you can do. This is a screenshot. Nah.
What you did for the screenshot?
A screenshot, Windows snipping tool. Windows snipping
Uh,
tool you can take. Windows snipping tool and you can drag like that means it will be coming like a screenshot. A
okay.
screenshot you can make. After that, what you can do, you can go to
Huh.
the website. Now you have any image. Now you can go to the
Huh.
website and you can type what font, what what font, my
What?
font. What
Wait.
font? Yeah,
What font? My font.
yeah.
Huh?
What font? My
Okay.
font. Like that you can type.
Okay. Okay.
What font? My font. If you type and if you hit the enter means, first
Huh.
link will be available showing like my fonts.
My fonts. Okay.
Yeah, my fonts. If you just click on it means
Huh.
the page will be opening. It's a little bit slow. Will wait. Yeah, the
Yeah.
page open. Now now what you can do, now
Upload.
we need to upload that screenshots. Upload and that screenshot we need to, this is
Hmm.
a screenshot means open.
Hmm.
Now this is, it comes like this. Now if you type on identify font. Identify font means
Huh.
whatever the text is there in the screenshot, it selects and it identifies and it shows like a similar
Huh.
font.
Okay.
Yeah, it shows like a similar font. Whatever font matches us, we can download. For example, this is that font means from this
Huh.
website, if we download the font means we should make the payment. It's not free of cost like that. So what we can do,
Okay.
we should once click on this means this is a font name. Hello Yearly Family One is the font name. So just like that, you should
Okay.
copy this. You copy this font
Okay.
name, Control C. After that, open the new tab, copy that font name, and put font free download. and put
Hello
font.
and okay, free
Yeah.
download. Okay,
You should just copy the font name and paste here and put like font free download.
okay,
Yeah, if you put the font free download and hit the enter means like a
mm,
lot of websites will be opening.
mm,
But if you see
okay,
means lot of websites means some of the fonts will not be working. Some of the
mm,
fonts will not be downloading. At that case, what you can
okay,
do, maximum first link or second link you can use.
okay,
If you are using the first link or a second link I'm using means it will be coming like
huh,
this. You can click the download font.
okay,
Download font and the font will be downloading. And then the zip
mm,
file, as we saw, right click that and extract all.
huh,
Extract. After that, you can install the font. Yeah.
okay,
Now if you see in Sakancha, there are like multiple fonts. Multiple
yeah,
fonts. Like so at a single stretch, if you want to install like every font means what you can do, if you click once right click and install means it's like a long process. Right click and install
okay,
means it's like a long process. So that what you can do, you should click once here. Once you click here and
huh,
you click on the last element, last that element,
okay,
shift and click it.
okay,
Now if you see means
huh,
everything is selected.
huh,
Everything is selected. Now I right click on it. Right click on it
huh,
and install. Now if I see means already the font is installed, so it's asking like, do you want to replace that font? Now I'm giving yes.
huh, okay,
Yeah. Now if you see means all the AN fonts will be installed
huh,
at a single stretch.
okay.
Yeah.
And
That is
their
a
character, I will search hello entry one
yeah,
font.
yeah. Hello at Ray one font. If you search means it's available. Yeah, Kacha,
Okay,
that is the thing. Yeah.
okay, okay.
Okay, Kacha.
Okay, fine. I will try this. Actually, I needed, but I always forgot.
Yeah, if you see some
So,
fancy fonts in
yeah, I
English
tried
also.
hard for the clipping mask. Now I am able to do
Yeah,
it.
yeah. With the practice, you can do because clipping
Yeah,
mask, if you see, means it's not more tough as a pen tool. Clipping mask means
yeah,
just like that. If you want to keep
yeah. The procedure actually I forgot again
yeah,
and
yeah.
again, but now I am doing fluently.
Okay,
So,
okay,
yeah, yeah.
okay.